So this is question 3 of the advanced statistics paper. So basically what this question is asking is, what is the correlation between final year score and working memory capacity after controlling for both first year examinations and GPA? So in simpler terms, what this question is asking is working memory capacity still related to final year score once you remove the effects of both prior academic performance and overall academic ability? So we want to know, is working memory capacity still related to final year score when you remove these two variables? So obviously these two variables, FYE and GPA, are going to cause variance between the correlation because they're factors that need to be considered that affect the final year score, which is the dependent variable. So they want to remove these two variables and see, is the correlation still strong, basically. So to do this question, we need to look at partial correlations. We do this because partial correlations tells us how strongly one predictor is related to the outcome after you remove the influence of other predictors. Literally what I just said up in this bit here is just what the question is asking, but that is what partial correlation is. It's only showing us part of the correlation minus some other variables, the other variables being FYE and GPA. So we're removing those two, and partial correlations will tell us basically the correlation after you remove the influence of the other predictors. So to do this question then, we're going down to this table. This one here, we're going to have coefficients. As you can see, there's 3 models. So the first model is just YMC and so on, but we need to look at model 3. Because model 3 obviously factors in WMC, FYE and GPA. Which is what we're looking for in this question. This question asks for all of the variables. So we're going over then to up here to partial correlations, and we're going all the way down because obviously it's asking for correlation between working memory capacity and final year score. So we're going over to working memory capacity, then we're going back over to partial correlations, not part because part is something different, just partial, and then basically your answer then is 0.787.